Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about Exxon Mobil, or Exxon Mobil as it's known on the stock exchange. Now, you might be thinking, oil and gas? Isn't that an old-fashioned industry? Well, hold on to your hats, because Exxon Mobil stock is currently on a tear, riding high on a wave of global energy price hikes. The question is, have you been paying attention? Because if you haven't, you could be missing out on a serious opportunity. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice, but knowledge is power, right? So, let's unpack what's driving this surge in Exxon Mobil's stock and what it means for the future. First things first, let's talk about the big news. Geopolitical tensions are causing disruptions in the global energy supply chain. This is having a knock-on effect, pushing oil and gas prices way up. Exxon Mobil, as a major player in the oil and gas game, is a direct beneficiary. Their revenue and profitability are soaring thanks to these high prices. We're talking about Exxon Mobil exceeding analyst expectations in their Q1 earnings report, a strong showing directly linked to this price surge. Now, this price surge is creating a very favorable market environment for oil and gas companies. It's almost like a party for Exxon Mobil, with analysts predicting increased profits due to the high prices. But hold on a second, because here's where things get interesting. Analysts are cautiously optimistic, yes, but that optimism comes with a big but. The long-term future of Exxon Mobil, and the entire oil and gas industry for that matter, is shrouded in uncertainty. Why the uncertainty? Because the world is in the midst of a major energy transition. We're moving away from fossil fuels and embracing renewable energy sources like solar and wind. The pace and extent of this shift will significantly impact the long-term viability of the oil and gas industry. Here's the million-dollar question. Can Exxon Mobil adapt to this changing landscape? This is where things get really crucial for Exxon Mobil's future success. The company needs to show investors they have a plan to navigate this energy transition. Investors are looking for answers. They want to know, is Exxon Mobil just enjoying a temporary boom, or are they preparing for a sustainable future? There are some good signs. Exxon Mobil recently announced plans to ramp up oil production in the Permian Basin, a major U.S. shale oil field. This is a strategic move to capitalize on the high demand, milking this current boom for all it's worth. But it's not the whole story. Investors are also looking for a commitment to renewables. What are Exxon Mobil's plans for investing in renewable energy sources? This is a key question that will give us insight into the company's long-term strategy and its commitment to sustainability. Let me repeat that, sustainability. This isn't just some buzzword. It's a critical factor for attracting environmentally conscious investors and ensuring regulatory compliance in the future. Here's the thing, folks. Exxon Mobil faces some bad news too. Investors are increasingly concerned about the company's environmental impact and their plan for adapting to a low-carbon future. On top of that, there are ongoing lawsuits related to Exxon Mobil's climate change disclosures. These lawsuits pose a financial risk, and the outcome could have negative consequences for the company. So, to recap, Exxon Mobil is currently experiencing a period of strong financial performance thanks to high energy prices. But this is a double-edged sword. The long-term outlook depends on the company's ability to adapt to the evolving energy landscape and address climate change concerns. Look, I'm not here to tell you what to do with your money. But what I am here to do is empower you with information. By understanding the situation with Exxon Mobil, you can make informed decisions about your own investments. So, that's the deep dive on Exxon Mobil. If you found this video informative, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more insightful investment breakdowns. Remember, knowledge is power, and by sharing this video with your friends, you can empower them too. And of course, as always, conduct your own research and consult with a professional before making any financial decisions. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one.